Most people think viral videos are random. They think a creator just gets lucky one day and suddenly their video blows up. But that's not how it works. Almost every viral video follows patterns. Patterns in the title, patterns in the topic, patterns in the curiosity it creates. And once you understand those patterns, finding viral ideas becomes predictable. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I use to find video ideas that people actually want to watch. The biggest mistake creators make is starting with creativity. They sit down and think, what video should I make today? But that's the wrong question. The real question is, what video are people already interested in watching? YouTube isn't about creating demand. It's about capturing demand that already exists. Every day, millions of people open YouTube looking for something specific. Your job is to meet that demand, not invent a completely new one. The fastest way to find viral ideas is simple. Look at videos that already went viral. But most people do this wrong. They copy the exact idea, and by the time they upload it, the trend is already dead. Instead, you need to study the pattern behind the video. Ask yourself, why did people click this? Was it the controversy? Was it the mystery? Was it the transformation? Was it the story? Once you understand the pattern, you can create endless variations of the same concept. This is something most creators don't realize. The title matters more than the video idea, because the title determines whether someone clicks. For example, trying a new business idea is boring, but I tried 10 business ideas in 30 days creates curiosity. Or I built a business with $0 creates intrigue. Great creators don't just think about videos. They think about packaging. Title plus thumbnail first, video second. Every successful video creates a question in the viewer's mind, a gap between what they know and what they want to know. That's called the curiosity gap. For example, how I made $153,000 at 19 immediately creates questions. How? From what? How long did it take? Can I do it too? Good titles create questions. Great videos answer them. Whenever I'm planning content, I don't search for one idea. I force myself to write 10 ideas. Most of them will be bad. But the goal isn't to get the first idea. It's to find the best idea. This process forces your brain to move past average concepts and into stronger ones. The best creators generate lots of ideas. Then they pick the strongest. Another mistake creators make is overthinking every upload. They spend weeks trying to make one perfect video, but YouTube rewards iteration. Every video teaches you something. Every upload gives you data. Which titles work? Which hooks work? Which topics people care about? You don't learn that by waiting. You learn it by posting. Most people think viral videos come from luck, but the truth is they come from understanding what people want to watch. Study what works, create curiosity, test ideas, and most importantly, keep uploading. Because every successful creator you see today started with videos that nobody watched. The difference is they didn't stop. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, subscribe. I'm documenting everything I'm learning about building channels and making money online. And we're just getting started. See you in the next one.